What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we're gonna be doing a Dollar Tree haul. I went to Dollar Tree yesterday and they had so many good things. I love going there when there's like the change of seasons because that's when they put out like all the new stuff. They had such cute fall decor and like Halloween stuff, and then also just a ton of like other new things and essentials that I normally get there. So I figured I'd do a little haul for you guys. I know you guys love this and I just love Dollar Tree. I mean, everything's $1, so you really can't go wrong. I also noticed that it looks like I'm not wearing a shirt. I am, so yeah, I'm just wearing a jacket because I'm trying to get into the fall feels, even though it's like still 70 degrees outside. But just wanted to let you guys know that. And without further ado, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all my future uploads. And let's go ahead and get started. All right, so let's start with some of the fall stuff I got. That was kind of all right by the front door. That's where they tend to put like the seasonal type of stuff. Whoa, the trees behind me are really moving today. I saw something moving in the viewfinder and I was like, what the heck? But they had these cute little pumpkins. I actually purchased these last year as well, but I wanted to get 2 additional ones. So I have my 2 from last year and then now I have 4. They're the cutest things and they're literally $1. But they're pumpkins. They kind of look like glitter on camera, but they're actually little like beads, because I've purchased glitter pumpkins before and then the glitter gets all over like everything and it's so annoying. You constantly have to clean it up, where these, they're not actually glitter. They just have like these little bead things on them, but they look so cute. So I ordered an entry table and I'm gonna put these on there for like the fall season, because I feel like these could go for fall, but also for Halloween. So I thought they were super cute and they were right by the door. So I grabbed these first. I also grabbed, which I thought was so cute, I just love having these around the house. I'm constantly drinking water, coffee, whatever it may be. And I have a lot of these like refillable cups. And this one says my favorite color is autumn. I just thought this was super cute, like for the fall season. They had a couple ones in different colors, but I like this one. It just has like the movable little sipper thing on the top, and I thought it was super cute. And it is like dual insulated, I guess. I'm not really sure if that's the right word, but you can see there's like an inner part which is green and then the outer portion. So I think that's supposed to help to keep your beverages like more hotter and colder for longer, because it's like that dual pane. So we'll see, but I have a bunch of like little travel mugs and stuff from Dollar Tree and they've never done me wrong. I grabbed these claw clips. I have more fall stuff somewhere, but they must be in a different bag. But I grabbed these little claw clips. I like to get these from there. These are like the medium-sized ones. They have bigger ones too, but if I'm doing my hair like half up, half down, I like to use these medium-sized ones. So you get 2 of them, a brown one and a black one, and I have the smaller ones as well. And I've had them for years. They've never broke on me, so I grabbed these little medium-sized ones if I want to do a little half up, half down moment. I also grabbed these socks. I thought they were so cute. They said, I am very cute. I was like, oh, I like the little pinkiness of them. So I grabbed these. I recently went through and like threw out all of my socks. Not all of them, but a lot of them had like holes and stuff in them. And I was like, it is time to part with these socks. So I was due for some new ones. So I thought these were really cute and I grabbed them. They had a couple different ones with different sayings and stuff, but I got these. Okay, these I am obsessed with. How beautiful are these lashes? And they're $1. So these are from the brand Ioni. If you guys see these at Dollar Tree, I would definitely recommend. I have gotten lashes from them that are a little wonky, I will say that. One time I got them and they were like 2 different lashes. It was very weird, but I've probably gotten like 5 or 6 pairs and only had that experience once. So I grabbed these ones. I think these are like Halloween themed ones. I don't know if it says the style on these. Wispy Flare Spiky. Let me take them out so I can show you guys a little bit better. But they're like literally mink lashes that are $1, which is kind of crazy. This is what they look like. So these look like they are the same. I think the one time that happened to me, it was just kind of like a fluke. But how stinking beautiful are these? Like you could literally see these at Sephora for like 17 bucks and be like a Huda Beauty lash and they would look the same. So I picked these up. I would definitely recommend, you know, grabbing some of these lashes if you guys see them at your local Dollar Tree. I'm starting to see them more and more now. Or if you're a makeup artist too, I feel like if you want to stock up your kit, definitely a good option. Okay, here's the other fall thing that I grabbed. I grabbed this little guy. I thought this was cute. It just says welcome. It's like a little scarecrow sort of thing. I have a wreath on our front door that has like a bow on it that has this exact pattern, this black and white pattern. So I thought that I could get this and maybe like string it through on the wreath or maybe towards the bottom or something, and kind of add this to our all seasons wreath to make it a fall wreath instead of having to buy like a whole another wreath for fall, because I feel like this will work just as well. So I thought this was cute. Again, they had a bunch of different options and different colors, but I kind of liked this fall Halloween-y type orangey color, so I grabbed this. Oh, these are new, or at least new to my Dollar Tree, because I go to Dollar Tree a lot, if you guys couldn't tell, because I feel like they have like good stuff there that like you could get other stores and pay more money for, so why would you? So I love Dollar Tree, but I have never seen these These are from the brand Bolero, and they are blemish stickers. So acne kind of like little patches have been like my new obsession. I actually really like them because I feel like when you put a topical acne treatment on your skin, a lot of times, unless you are putting it on significantly before you like go to bed, I'm a face sleeper. I sleep on my face, so I always think that like it's just wiping off and just like getting all over my pillow, where I feel like with the acne, like the blemish stickers, at least it kind of like holds the acne medication like on your skin. So I normally buy ones from Target, but I figured, I mean, we might as well try these. Let's take them out and look. I think they have different sizes, which is cool. Yeah, they come in like a bunch of different sizes. It's probably not gonna show up on camera. Bigger ones if you have like a bigger blemish, littler ones for smaller little spots. So I figured for $1, I might as well try them out. I can definitely like update you guys on how these work and if they're as good as the other brand that I normally just buy at Target, because the one I buy at Target I think are like $15 or maybe a little bit less, but obviously $1 is way cheaper. So I grabbed these, and it's like a newer product. I hadn't seen these at Dollar Tree before, so I got these. Oh my god, this next little thing, I died when I saw this. They actually had a ton of pet costumes at Dollar Tree, which I feel like I haven't seen in the past for Halloween, and I saw this little one. It's not like the best quality, but again, it's $1, and it's like this little hot dog thing. So I grabbed this for Prince because I was like, oh my god, that's so cute. But they had a bunch of different options, but I thought the hot dog one was funny, so I grabbed this for my dog for Halloween. The only downside to this is a size medium, and my dog is like 8 pounds. So if you have a large dog, they're not gonna have costumes that are big enough for them, because even the size large one is really not that big. It would fit a dog that was like maybe 20 pounds at most. So they don't have huge costumes, but if you have a little dog, they do have a lot of really cute Halloween costumes. So I grabbed this little hot dog one. Okay, up next, I forgot I got these. These are so cute. So I saw these again in the hair clip little section. They have so many different hair extensions. I was gonna say hair extensions. They do not have hair extensions at Dollar Tree, at least not at mine. But they have so many different hair accessories at Dollar Tree, which I love. So I grabbed these little gold clips because I thought they were really pretty. I thought I could use them to kind of like clip my hair back out of the way. Let me take them out, because you guys know normally when I do my makeup tutorials, I'll like clip my hair, you know, like this or whatever, like back out of the way. So I thought they were really pretty because the ones I use now, you know, look like this. They're not exactly aesthetically pleasing. So I thought these were pretty for that, but you could also just use these, you know, to clip your hair back if you wanted to do a pretty kind of like different hair look. So I thought these were really, really pretty. For $1, you get 2 of them, and they seem sturdy, like they will actually hold your hair. They're not like flimsy. And I like that they open up instead of like the bobby pin kind, because I always find those to be like a little difficult to use. So I like the ones that open like this. So I grabbed these. Next 2 things, not super exciting, but things that I typically buy at Dollar Tree that are cheaper at Dollar Tree than if you buy them anywhere else. So I always like to grab them. These little like flosser things. I use these kind of flossers instead of like the like floss that you pull out of like the little thing. You know what I'm talking about? I feel like these little pick things are just easier. So grab those. I always get them at Dollar Tree. And then also got cotton swabs. You can get 300 for $1. So I just grabbed these for my husband and I as well. Those are kind of like essentials that I typically go there for. Okay, up next, I got some things. They like wrapped them up nice for me. So let me take them out to show you. These I thought were really cute. And I think these are newer also because I hadn't seen them before. They kind of look, now that I'm looking at them, like they kind of look like they could be wine glasses, but these are actually found in the candle section. They have a ton of different candles at Dollar Tree. So if you need like smaller candles, definitely check there. But they had these, they're like little votive holders, and I thought that they were really pretty. I liked kind of like the gunmetal finish to them, and they are like real glass, like they're not plastic. They're like actually nice quality. So I grabbed those, and then I also grabbed this little 4-pack they had of little candle votives. So they're like little tiny candles. Let me open this so we can see what it looks like, because I couldn't actually see what it would look like in the store. Hopefully this looks as cute in real life as it did in my head in the store. But this is like one of the little candles, and then you just kind of drop it in here. And I feel like that looks really pretty. Like this looks like it costs a lot more than $2, and I feel like you could put it on top of like a book or on top of some sort of stand just as like a little decor piece. So I thought that was really pretty. So you get a 4-pack of the little candles, but I only got 2 of the little holders. So maybe I'll go back and get another 2. They also had these in like a gold shade, but I just kind of liked the gunmetal, and I feel like this looks really pretty, and they could be like easily added into like any sort of decor. So I grabbed these, and the candles actually smell really nice. They have like a light kind of florally scent to them. Smells good. Oh, I also grabbed, this was over in the candle section as well, this little, they had like a pink little lighter with the longer kind of stem on it, because I hate using like little lighters to light candles. I always like burn my finger when I do that. I need like the ones with the longer stem. I don't know, I guess I don't do it right, but these kind of lighters make it so that you're not gonna burn your finger off when you're lighting a candle. So I grabbed this. I thought that it was cute that it was pink, so got that. I also got, which they wrapped up nice. The lady, like the employee, was so sweet. She was wrapping up everything for me. I was like, thank you. I got these little glasses. I thought these were so cute. Another thing that I think Dollar Tree has great stuff at is like like glassware. They have nice things. They're actually glass, they're not plastic, and they're $1. So I have a ton of wine glasses, but I do not have a ton of like champagne flutes, which like really in the grand scheme of things is not a big deal. I will drink champagne or whatever and whatever, but I saw these there and I was like, you know what? I really don't have a lot of champagne glasses, so I thought they were really cute. They say Pop, Fizz, Clink, and they have it on both sides. So I grabbed 2 of them because I thought for $1, like might as well. They also had like a lot of cute ones that were based on like brides or like bachelorette and stuff, or like birthday, like a bunch of different options. So if you have something like that coming up, maybe your bachelorette party or, you know, a friend or whatever is getting married, definitely check there, because some of these things that are like this on Etsy can be way more money, where, you know, you can literally get this for $1 at Dollar Tree. So I thought that these were really cute and grabbed them. Okay, and then last but certainly not least, I got a book. So I actually love going to Dollar Tree to get like coffee table books if I need like fillers, because I love the look of coffee table books and stuff, but some of them can be so expensive, like insane. Like I love to use books for decor, but I'm not trying to spend $100 on a book all the time, especially if I want to do like a stack of like a couple. So I have an area where I wanted to stack a couple books, and I needed another book that was kind of like black or white. I had this book at Dollar Tree, again, $1, which I thought looked really, really pretty. I liked the black with the different colors on the side. It's called Saving Sarah. I bought it for decor purposes, but it actually seems very interesting, so I probably will read it as well. But you can see on the inside, literally, $27.99 is the price of the book, but it was $1. So I grabbed this. I know I've seen a lot of people too that do like Dollar Tree decor videos where they just go to Dollar Tree, they buy the books, and they take the like this, the cover off, and then you're left with like a plain kind of book like this. So it's kind of up to your own preference, but a good little decor hack. Definitely check Dollar Tree if you want some books, or if you just want a book to read. All right, you guys, so that was everything that I got at Dollar Tree. I feel like it seemed like more. Like I had like 2 carts full of stuff, but then when we went through it, I was like, oh, not a ton of stuff, but I feel like really good quality stuff, because I definitely had misses from Dollar Tree too. Like there's stuff there that even though it's $1, it's a waste your money because it's not a good product, but I feel like all this stuff was pretty good and definitely worth the money. So let me know any other places you guys like me to do hauls from. I can totally do that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.